Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's November 15th, 2010. The grain markets this morning expect to open higher off of that a rebound basically from Friday's panic liquidation and limit down move in corn and soybeans. What that does to us today, it expands the limits today to 45 cents in corn and $1.05 in soybeans. So we definitely have got the possibility for volatility here today. Don't quite expect to see that though. We did have some strength overnight, basically on news out of China that they did not raise the interest rates and tried to slow inflation that way. So, but the rumor has it that they will make some adjustment in interest rates sometime in this fourth quarter or before the first of the year. Another bit of news that was seen as supportive is China and Argentina have come together on an agreement to set up a commission to look at the possibilities and to work on the possibility of exporting Argentine corn, beef, and barley to China. And looking at the possibilities there of about 5 million metric tons of corn that could be shipped into China from Argentina, which corn traders look at that as being friendly because it takes that much corn off of the demand or the export list, the sales possibilities that they will have to come to the U.S. and buy corn eventually, so therefore it's friendly to the U.S. corn. And that type of mentality is still with us, that it doesn't matter what the story is, it turns out to be bullish. And we're seeing that effect here this morning. We also had a Fed official yesterday make some comments on his belief of the QE2 quantitative easing, that he doesn't believe that it's that good of a deal, and that it wasn't set up to force the dollar lower. In turn, that has supported the dollar here this morning. So we got the dollar higher, crude oil higher, gold is down just slightly, and stock indexes are slightly higher here this morning. Other news, we did have the soybeans break on the opening yesterday. They did go down to the 20-day moving average and to some technical support around the 1250 area. That area should provide us some very good support in the January soybean contract. If we take that out, close below that, that would certainly add to a negative look on the charts. In the wheat, India did say that they will sell 2.5 million tons of government wheat to different states to help fill some food needs in those areas. Also, there was rain in the southwest U.S. here over the weekend. The hard red wheat areas should see an improvement there, although the growing season there is getting shorter and shorter as we have got colder weather moving into the Midwest here this week. South America got some rain, and they need more. They're going into a drier spell here right now, and Argentina is still dry in a few provinces. So overall this week we expect that we're going to see some retracement here from Friday. The test will be, can we hold those retracements? If we take out Friday's lows and overnight lows in the beans and the corn, we could see some further pressure there. In the livestock trade, news is relatively quiet right now, but cutout values were mixed on Friday. We had choice up 15, select were down only 5 cents. Cash cattle did trade, however, at the 98.5 area, which is about 50 cents higher than last week. The cash markets this week should see some strength. We should see a bit tighter supplies, but the attitude here at the Mercantile Exchange could control that price movement very easily. The pork complex, we've got hog markets steady to firm here this morning. We've got the cutout values on Friday were up 61 cents. We think we're over the hump there as far as the large supplies and heavy hogs that we've seen here on a seasonal basis. We should be going into some tighter supplies there. We've got packers that are much more interested in buying hogs right now, and we hope that that will continue and producers can stay very current there. So overall this week looking for some volatility again. I don't think that's going to go away from us. Use risk protection and manage your stops very closely. Keep in contact with Allendale's research. We'll be happy to help you and answer any questions that you might have. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. Thank you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.